Okay, this is the temperature probe cable and the power cord. We're going to plug one end of the power cord into the inlet on the back of the control box. And the other end of the power cord into our wall outlet. Now we're going to plug the heater cord in from the brew tank into the outlet on the back of the control box. Now we can plug one end of the temperature probe cable into the brew tank. And the other end of the temperature probe cable into the back of the control box. And that's it for connecting the cables. Thanks.